Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple but essential feature in Spotify, Data Saver Mode. If you're trying to save mobile data while streaming music, this setting can really help. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, locate on the option labeled Data Saving and Offline. This is where you'll find the Data Saver feature. Finally, under Data Saver, you will see a toggle switch. Tap on it to turn Data Saver on. Once it's enabled, Spotify will reduce streaming quality to save your data. That's it. Your Data Saver is now active on Spotify. This simple setting can make a big difference if you're using mobile data. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.